5 gift ideas for honey lovers. If you're looking for the perfect gift for a honey lover, look no further. Here are 5 great ideas that are sure to please. 1. A jar of local honey. This is a great way to support a local beekeeper and give your honey lover a delicious treat at the same time. 2. A bee-themed cookbook. For the honey lover who likes to cook, a bee-themed cookbook is a perfect gift. There are plenty of great recipes that feature honey as a key ingredient. 3. A set of honey-flavored tea. This is a great way to help your honey lover relax and enjoy a cup of tea at the same time. There are many different flavors of honey-flavored tea available, so you're sure to find one that they'll love. 4. A bottle of honey-infused olive oil. This is a great way to add a bit of sweetness to any dish. Simply drizzle it over a salad or use it in place of regular olive oil in a recipe. 5. A set of honeycomb candles. These are beautiful and fragrant, making a great addition to any home. We hope you enjoyed our blog on gifts for the health conscious. We hope you are able to pick out a great gift for your loved ones.